Nollywood actress Etinosa epic reaction to people where they wonder how she take buy her house. Bobrisky say in one pakaya or run comot leave Instagram or ha no be small gbege. Alright, so my correct people them Nollywood actress wey they call and say Etinosa don't come out yo, come write the question yo, where people they like to they ask how like say she they owe them gbese. Now wow, how Etinosa take buy her house. If Big Brother Naija housemaid wey they go come out today buy house tomorrow, wetin una they ask them? Etinosa wey don't ask for years, now una they tell say how she take buy her house. Well, see she write how she take buy house must be cryptocurrency. 9 person can write say they don't know how far we have come. Stress, hard work, NNPC days. Once they see you with millions, it's a man. 19 can say them no know say some of us now we they feed men self. Come put emoji where they cry. Alright, so my correct people them and people can they write for comment section. The first person here say I understand the feeding with your cowbell milk of nation. And the second person can say how many men have you fed? The third person can say men like that always prefer second hand like you. We call them Papa Jasmine. Why wanna they rude like this? The fourth person say a man can feed a woman for a century, no one will hear, but once is the other way round, the world will hear it every day. May God bless all the men. Then the last person can say I beg continue they feed us cause we never belly full. So, Etinosa, now you call wahala for yourself now. Why are they even pity yourself? Now you just go sit down, go write questions, wait trolls they ask. Alright, so my correct people them on to the next gist. You know say I don't they bring when I update say Bobrisky and blogger where they call and say gist me lovers, they don't they break it themselves like say tomorrow and next tomorrow no day. This one now on to man because gist lover na man, Bobrisky na man. So they don't break it themselves like say tomorrow no day. On top this very big gist lovers don't release Bobrisky address on top this very big don't release in phone number on top this very big he don't release Bobrisky nyash. Another one see they pin Bobrisky to date. So Bobrisky they don't they big on top this very thing. Say how they live fake life. See your nyash. Hey, now your nyash have been be your nyash. Bobrisky don't try to use the way they always use to carry by their heart. We be say anytime where internet don't they hot on top negativity on top Bobrisky matter na so Bobrisky go do giveaway. Anybody will come in comment section to do anyhow na so those people where they whether they give away they favor them more na so they go they blast the person anyhow whether so that Bobrisky go do giveaway give them more or may choose them more. Oh my correct people them. So this time Bobrisky can't try na so they think come backfire. Ma show na. So Bobrisky gonna say drop your account, let me credit some of you. I don't care if you once hate or love me before. Alright, so instead of account number, see what they can send. This one say this boy, go and pay your debt and stop impressing people who don't know your barbaric lifestyle. Man. The second person can say I reject you and your money. The third person can say how many of you have ever received from her before? Una mumu never do. Alright, so now another person can post this picture of Bobrisky can say big mama of Lagos, old age will look good on you. Now another person can say you don't pay the gold seller. Wahala. Alright, so the first person here can say uncle 2-in-1, keep your money and go and continue taking care of your skin because right now your skin needs your help financially and I am urging you to go for voice surgery because it's not fair. Woman body but man voice. Though you are lying, even if they drop you won't give them a penny, but thank you for your concern, Idrisu. Then the second person say everyone has an opinion or to choose what they want to become in life. Please guys, let's leave everything for the creator. For me, I need money badly. Lagos no easy to steal. So you need money, send your account number now whether you see penny. Okay, now just love start again. Say okay, somebody called me and I later deleted what they posted. Idris is pained that all Boss avenue to scam has been exposed. All brands are avoiding him like a plague. Now, as a matter of fact, any brand that works with Idris, people go to that brand comment section and drag them for not having any dignity left in them. This is the Nigeria we want, where we won't glorify scammers parading as cross-dressers. Any brand that works with Idris self, na him goes scammer. So all these things where they share my correct people, them Idris Kuku they form. I don't care, nothing concern me. Now you know, this one, that one. So we will listen to a motivational speaking first before we continue.
Someone needs to listen to this. Open your ears. Why do you care about what people say about you? Why does people's opinion get you worried? Let them talk. Let them insult you. Does that stop money from coming into your accounts? Does that stop your toasters sliding into your DM to appreciate you? Let me ask you one question. If you tomorrow, would there be anybody with you? You go alone, right? So why do you give a f about these people? You don't even know them. You don't even know them. Let them rant from now to tomorrow. Will it show on your forehead? Like I used to say, has anybody? Oh no! Move on, sis. Move on. Someone needs to listen to this.
Person will just motivate us now for you to know how Instagram live fake, and you don't need to follow anybody online. No be just Instagram, everywhere. You don't need to follow what people they do online. Okay, after this motivation, see where you go the big person will send this lover in video where in nyash their site.
What's the meaning of that? Where are you? That's for tomorrow. They will all be on you tomorrow. They will all be on you tomorrow. So God come out the airport to fight for you. Because I will treat you like you want to. I will treat you like you want to die tomorrow. I'll treat you finish here. I'll go police come and let me on you. What's the meaning of that?
So the handles where Bobrisky even post say na in sponsors, person can't discover say they be fake. Is it go and follow my sponsors? So I go credit your account. Alright, so 18 person can send to Gist Lovers. Say Gist Lovers, please come to my rescue. Bobrisky giveaway don't scam me. And Gist Lovers can say hi, can say good evening. Bobrisky's posted some account yesterday that we should follow them for giveaway. And I didn't follow self, I just hi the account. And she replied today, let me send the screenshot. He said the person going to tell her say that they don't select her for the giveaway or due to her outstanding comment. So she can't thank them. So okay, for her to they qualified, may she first send 2K before then they go send her 25K. When they see that kind of scam, no be small scam be that yo. Wahala. Alright, so Gist Lover can start again, say Bobrisky and that way open fake page in one corner, thanking God, say na matter don't shift and Bob continuing with him fake giveaway to cover up. Even with the fake giveaway, they still they give gbasgbos. Una don't use violence, resemble me or I come in peace. You can still say the fake page don't change handle, and she changed her name on Facebook too. I still need a First Bank staff urgently because meanwhile Idris don't continue with his own fake giveaway to cover up. Wahala not too much like this. So this wahala don't kuku tire Bobrisky or Bobrisky don't jam pass away passer. Now I can say my boyfriend said, babe, I should stay away from Snap and IG. Can't laugh. Is this man joking with me? You want my fans to fetch you out? Can't laugh again. But I honestly need a break though, because I am very stubborn. Now Gist Lover come post say, you go nowhere Idris. We buy and resurrect here. Which your boyfriend? Stop deceiving people. You don't curse. Saddam. If you go, I go miss you. I come in peace. 9 person gonna say Saddam is running. The second person gonna say Idrisu won't use style run. The third person gonna say Alaye won't use Scope Japa Onifuro barbecue. Now the fourth person can say the fear of juice lovers won't make Bobrisky go into hiding. The last person here can laugh, say what? No go more lovely Idris. We will miss you, but if you won't go, go. If you come back, we will continue from where we stop. Thank you. Tomofa saying won't take break. Now Idris say he won't follow take break. Saying boyfriend say me take break. So I don't talk anything, no. Well, my correct people, then I saw the level just be. Una thank you so super much for watching me. Una stay beautiful. Una bye.